Take a bite, feel the taste. Dissolve the yeast in water and pour it into a bowl. To rinse out the yeast from the container, use milk, then pour all of it into the bowl. Add the eggs, sugar, and flour, then mix everything thoroughly. Once the ingredients are combined, add the salt and continue mixing for about 4 minutes. Then add the butter in several portions. Mix for a few minutes until the dough becomes smooth. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rest for 20 minutes. After that, mix again for about 3 minutes. Then transfer the dough to a bowl or directly onto the work surface and gently form it into a ball. If the dough is too sticky, lightly dust it with flour. Transfer it to a bowl and cover with a cloth. Let it rise for about 1.5 hours, in my case at 25 degrees Celsius. The dough should double in size. Place the dough onto a lightly floured surface. Divide it into 6 equal portions. If it's sticky, lightly dust with flour. Shape the buns and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Cover with a cloth and let them rise again for about 1.5 hours in a warm place. After that, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, top and bottom heat. Brush the buns with a mixture of 50 grams egg and 5 grams milk. Bake for about 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, keep an eye on them. Every oven bakes differently. The buns should be lightly golden brown. Once baked, transfer the buns to a wire rack and let them cool for about 15 minutes. Enjoy!